Hey, she's got her FLEXIRODs. Twist whip butter. Okay, so you can see there that her hair is dry. I think she blow dried it so that you can get a very good flexi rod set. So normally you can either do flexi rod on wet or dry hair. So it depends on how well you want it to look. Yeah, look at the shine, look at the curls. People, this is not permed hair, this is natural hair. You saw that. And the flexi rod gives you this definition of curls. So she's separating it now. Ooh, she's loving it. Oh, and I'm loving it as well. That's beautiful. It's juicy, it's bouncy, it's curly. And that's what the flexi rod does to natural hair. So when you're going to a wedding or you're going somewhere where you're like, I don't know what to do to my natural hair, get yourself a flexi rod set and you're going to look stunning on the day. And everybody's going to love your hair. Trust me, natural hair is the most versatile hair on this planet. You just need to know how to look after it. Yeah, sister girl, she's doing the last one. Look at those curls. And they're juicy and curly and bouncy. Who said natural hair is not beautiful? Who said? Ah, it's beautiful. So if you're going out like on a serious occasion and you have natural hair, please do this rod set. It's immaculate. It's spectacular. Everybody is going to love your hair. Either at a wedding, a party, whatever. Natural hair can be worn and at its best. Look at hair. Will you not say hello, sister girl? Whoa, shake that curls. Shake that. It's beautiful, people. It's beautiful. And this is just rod set on natural hair. Ooh, she's got long hair. Wow. She'll have to use big ones, you know. She's got really long hair. You see, there again, her hair, she's blow dried it. And then she put a bit of, you want something that has moisture in it, but not too much. Yeah. Again, you can set it even when it's, yeah. Woo, I told you she's using very big flexi rods. Wow, those are big. They're ginormous flexi. Oh, look at those curls though. Wow, people, look at the shine. You know the flexi rod, because it's just like it's a metal and then they wrap the foam around it. So look at that. Whoa, people. Natural hair rocks. Natural hair rocks. Hey, natural hair rocks. When am I going to grow? Let it go. It's beautiful, people. Yeah, she's also got long hair. So she's putting something like a mousse. Yeah, again, that is on dry hair. So there you roll it up. Yeah. You can either start from I did it before a long time ago when my hair had just started growing, and yeah, you do it from the end. But some people also start from the roots, so it depends on your technique. Yeah, but you cannot sleep in this. It's so hard to sleep in, so you better do it and set yourself something like 6 to 8 hours before you go out. Oh, look at this girl. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look, natural hair, man. Just the flexi rod will give you this setting. Wow. Can you not take this anywhere? Yeah, so she's doing more on a wet. Oh, she's twisting it. Okay. Oh, her curls are juicy. And then she's now going to, wow, yeah. So it's going to be really curly. It's going to be very, yeah, look. So she did the 2 twist and then she did the flexi rod on it. So it's going to be proper curly. Yeah, you see. And she did it on wet as well. So that's what I say. Depending on the way, how juicy or how shiny you want your girl. Oh, she's got long hair. Yeah, she's got long hair. Ooh, look at those curls. Pop it. I love that short hair, people. Away with the perms. We're not perming anymore. Yeah, I mean, look at the rod set. It gives you like the feel of a permed hair, isn't it? The rod set gives you like you've actually permed it. So why would you have to put the chemical in your hair when you can actually get the same thing with just the flexi rods, people? FLEXIROD all the way. FLEXIROD. So there she's putting her earrings on. Oh, she looks beautiful. She's done the Fulani thing with at the front. Hey, she said, look at my hair. FLEXIROD in the house. Oh, she looks beautiful. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sister. Yes, sister queen. Yeah. Okay, so you see there, she is starting from the roots. She just bent it and then she's starting it from the roots. That's why I say some people do it from the ends. Most people do it from the ends, but she started from the roots. And it will give her the same. Eh, eh. We love our hair. And then you bend it. Yeah, you bend it. But sisters, you cannot sleep in this. So if you know you're going to go out, just set it. You have like 6 hours to 8 hours. Yeah, you will. It's so painful to sleep in because yeah. Ooh, look at those juicy curls. The flexi one gives very juicy curls. People like better than. Yeah, she's now going to separate them. Separate them, sis. Ah, isn't that beautiful? Look, isn't that beautiful? You can style your hair. You can make it look so elegant. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Spritz it with some water. Some rose water. And then she's going in with the olive oil. Oh, she's put all her FLEXIRODs in that container. Flex the hair, baby. Yeah. And it's so easy to do it. It's so easy. Once you master your technique, it's so easy to roll it up. Yeah, clever girl. I think she hasn't got the time, so she went and sat in a dryer so that it will dry quicker. Yeah, some olive oil for shine. Ooh, people, look. So beautiful, so Kelly. We love our hair. Miel. She's using the Miel products. Yeah, she's doing it on a dry hair as well. She's doing it on dry. So that's the beauty of this FLEXIROD. You can do it either on wet or dry, but it depends on how shiny or how curly you want it to be. Yeah. Oh, shake it, girl. Hey, your sister queen. You see how it gives it volume. You saw how her hair was before, but as soon as you do the FLEXIROD, it gives it some real volume. Dollar General. She went and bought. Oh, she went and bought. Yeah, you get it from the dollar shop, and then she bought. Oh, the main products, all from the dollar shop. Wow. And she bought her comb and her pins, her bobby pins. £2 for the bobby pins. The comb is $3 as a pound. Yeah, she said, "Oh, my hair is a hot mess." It's not a hot mess. She's washing it. So people, we're going to see her do it from start to finish because she's now washing it. Yeah. Her hair was dry. Conditioner. But you people don't use shampoos that dry your hair. You always want to like make your own shampoo. Check the description. I've got a shampoo of how to use the black soap, the African black soap, and fenugreek to make your own shampoo so it won't strip your hair. She's got thick hair. It's beautiful. Yeah, so she's gonna probably set it on her wet hair. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. This FLEXIROD you can do wet or dry. Ooh, let's go. Yeah. So this is like something like a mousse, isn't it? Yeah, it's a mousse. Yeah, that mousse will give you a lot of shine. But when it's wet, well, then again, it's the products that you put in it that will make it shiny or not shiny. Yeah, she's almost done. Her hair was thick, but she's almost done. The mousse is all over her her fingers. It's dry. And she's put her makeup on, ready to go out. Hey, ready to go out. Look at that. Look at that beautiful curl. And she's colored the ends of her hair. Hmm. 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 Our sisters are doing wonders with their hair. And it's so beautiful to see. They're doing it all at home by themselves. You see, this is not saloon, but the finish is like saloon finish, isn't it? It's like saloon, but it's like they're doing it by themselves. We've got to master our hair. Oh, look at those. You see, because she colored the ends of her hair, so it looks like, oh, I don't know what it looks like. It's beautiful, though. It's so beautiful. She's doing a mohawk, like, ooh, yeah, she's holding the sides. So it will give her that slim look on her face. That's a mohawk. She's putting the gel on the edges. Hey, our sisters, they can rock their hair. You don't even play with the. Hey, rock your hair. Hey, rock your hair. She's looking beautiful. Yeah, she's doing a mohawk. Yep. Awesome. Oh, wow, people. Will you not be able to rock this hair anywhere on this planet? Look at her. Oh, she's so happy. You know when you do a style that works and then you are like, yay, it's so beautiful. Yeah, you're happy. Yeah, that again is on wet hair. Oh, she's got a thick cream. Yeah. Ooh, another thick cream. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so she's doing it on wet, proper wet hair. We'll see the results. Hey, she's almost done. Yay, look at the shine. Wow. People. This looks like permed hair. So you see, why were we ever perming our hair? I mean, was it really necessary? When we could get the same finish and the same look just with a FLEXIROD, but you know, wow, people. Look at those girls. Because she used the thin ones. So she's got a lot of like tiny curls. You know, so depending on the size of the FLEXIROD that you use, it will also have the effect on your curls. Me trying to go with, oh, she's got thick hair. Yeah. She's done it. Yeah, and her hair is long and she's done it really small. Wow, people. Beautiful sisters. Sister Queen. Love your hair. Learn about your hair and rock your hair like the queen that you are. So if you know you have natural hair and sometimes you don't know what to do with your natural hair, especially when you're going for a special occasion, get yourself some FLEXIRODs and FLEXIROD your hair, and everybody at the occasion will be asking you that, oh, is your hair really natural? And you tell them, yes, my hair is natural and dynamic and versatile. Stay tuned in and thank you for bye.